Welcome to Choice Champions. The best hanging basket liners is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for creating stunning, long-lasting container gardens, transforming ordinary pots into vibrant displays that capture attention and elevate your outdoor living space, ensuring your beloved plants thrive and flourish throughout the season with superior moisture retention and aeration, making them a crucial investment for any gardening enthusiast seeking professional-looking results and effortless plant care. Number 5. Legigo 16-inch Hanging Basket Coco Liners Replacement, 3-pack. Introducing our 3-pack of 16-inch Coco liners, perfect for your hanging baskets. They are designed to fit your plants beautifully. Crafted from 100% natural coir fiber, these liners promote healthy root development and retain moisture effectively. This means better watering for your plants. Our liners are sturdy, thick, and strong, designed to hold soil without falling apart. They protect your plants from sun and wind, lasting for several years. Simply soak them in water to shape, then place them in your container. You can even trim them to size for a perfect fit. Enjoy a beautiful garden with ease. These liners are ideal for a wide variety of plants and flowers. Use them in your garden, balcony, patio, or even in commercial spaces like hotels and malls. Transform your hanging baskets into stunning displays of flowers and vegetables. These liners provide the perfect foundation for a vibrant and healthy garden. What we like. This option is made from 100% natural coir fiber, promoting healthy root development and retaining moisture effectively. If you're looking for a liner that supports robust plant growth and reduces watering frequency, this is a great choice. Its natural material and moisture-retaining properties make it ideal for gardeners who want their plants to thrive with less fuss. What people say. These Coco liners are made extremely well. Fit my hanging baskets perfectly and are easy to work with. Good quality, nice and thick. Number 4. Home 16 Round Coco Liner. Introducing our 16-inch round Coco liners, crafted from natural cocoa fiber. These liners come in a convenient pack of 2, perfect for your gardening needs. Designed to retain moisture effectively, they also ensure excellent drainage and air circulation. This balance keeps your plants healthy between waterings. Enjoy the convenience of a liner that actively keeps your plants moist. You won't have to worry about frequent watering. These liners are the preferred choice for gardening enthusiasts and professional growers alike. Experience the difference quality makes. Easily replace your old liners with these natural brown cocoa fiber options. They fit perfectly and enhance your plant's environment. What we like. This liner offers a natural brown aesthetic and balances moisture retention with good drainage and air circulation. If you're a garden enthusiast or grower who appreciates a classic look and wants to ensure your plants have the best of both worlds, hydration and aeration, this is the popular choice for you. It's designed to keep your plants happy between waterings. What people say. These liners are a great size for my 16-inch hanging baskets, fitting perfectly without any gaps. The material is durable and holds its shape well, preventing soil from falling out. They effectively retain moisture, reducing the frequency of watering needed for my plants. Number 3. Y&M 16 Round Cocoa Fiber Liner, 2-pack. Introducing our 16-inch round liners, crafted from 100% natural and renewable cocoa fiber. They are designed to perfectly fit your wall-hanging planter baskets. These liners excel at retaining moisture while ensuring excellent drainage and air circulation. This creates the ideal environment for your plants to thrive. Forget the hassle of shaping. Our liners come pre-formed, making them incredibly easy to fit into your 16-inch round hanging planter baskets. Experience the benefit of gradual water release. The liner slowly provides water to the soil as it dries, keeping your plants consistently hydrated. Each package includes 2 16-inch diameter liners, providing a great value for maintaining multiple planters. What we like. Featuring a convenient preformed shape and made from renewable cocoa fiber, this liner gradually releases water as the soil dries. If you value ease of use and want a liner that simplifies fitting into your existing planter, this is the one. Its gradual water release system is perfect for those who want to ensure consistent moisture without overwatering. What people say. Quality product, thick, holds moisture aesthetically pleasing. Allows appropriate amount of drainage. Well formed, fit my baskets perfectly. Good price. Note, these have some space to let the water flow through. Not meant to be solid. This keeps the plant's roots from being overwatered. Very good product, good price. By soaking it in water for about 20 minutes, it's much easier to shape. Also, by soaking it, you are less likely to tear it. Very happy with the end results. Number 2. ZeeDix 16-inch Coco liners for hanging baskets. Get a set of 3 replacement liners, each 16 inches in diameter. This popular size is perfect for your favorite flowers and green plants. Crafted from 100% natural cocoa fiber, these liners ensure uniform distribution for excellent air permeability and water retention. This promotes healthier plant growth. They hold ample water, releasing it slowly for better root absorption. The evenly distributed natural fibers also provide great ventilation, creating an ideal growing environment. Using them is easy. Simply soak them, trim to size if needed, add soil, and plant your flowers or vegetables. Planting has never been simpler. These liners are perfect for home gardening, balconies, weddings, and office decorations. Use them with hanging baskets to add life and beauty anywhere. What we like. This option boasts uniform fiber distribution for excellent air permeability and water retention, promoting better plant growth. If you're planting a variety of flowers and green plants and want to provide them with a healthy growing environment, this is a solid choice. Its balanced properties make it suitable for a wide range of home and decorative gardening projects. What people say. This is the second time buying them and I know the quality is really good and some of them last for 2 seasons. Perfect fit, well made. These liners fit the 14-inch and 16 baskets very well. They're a little thin, so I'm interested to see how long they hold up. Number 1. Riare 16-inch round cocoa liners replacement. Get a pack of 4 natural coconut liners, each 16 inches in diameter and 7.5 inches deep. This popular size is perfect for showcasing your favorite flowers and greenery. Crafted from 100% natural cocoa coir fiber, these liners offer excellent breathability and moisture retention. They are thicker and more robust than others, ensuring your plants thrive with confidence. To reshape, simply submerge the liner in water upon arrival. Once pliable, you can easily trim it to your desired size and place it in your basket or pot. Adding soil and water makes planting a breeze. These thick, tightly woven liners effectively reduce water loss and keep soil moist. The pure, natural material is safe for plants and built to last, helping you create a beautiful garden with less watering. Ideal for all types of plants and flowers, these liners are perfect for home gardening, weddings, cafes, and more. Use them to add a touch of natural beauty to any space. What we like. This liner is notably thicker, sturdier, and more robust, effectively retaining water and soil for long-lasting use. If you need a durable liner that can withstand the elements and requires less frequent watering, this premium material is your best bet. It's designed for confident plant growing and creating a beautiful garden that lasts. What people say. Good quality, thick so they don't fall apart in first season of use. Impressed with the quality of these. They fit perfectly and will last more than a year. The liners are very thick and robust. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.